what do you see as the status of regulation when it comes to integration of, let's say, blockchain in capital markets and financial institutions? And do you think the regulators are proactive? So two separate questions embedded into one. So over to you, Supratim.
No, I think the answer is well known to everyone. The level of proactivity that we observe is kind of appalling, to say the least. Uh, in every sphere, Pranav, if you observe that, technology has far surpassed the laws that we had, okay? And we keep on thinking that the patchwork of laws that we have, it will help us to still attend to the situation. Let me take a simple example of Information Technology Act, okay, which we think is really the end all and the omnibus law which can cater to every situation possible. It was never meant to be the way it is today. Okay, it kept, things kept on getting added to it. So now it has got data privacy, cyber security, digital signature, electronic signature, etc., etc. So it has become like a entire ecosystem in itself. Somewhere the rules and regulations which have been framed under that has gone beyond the mother legislation, but no one basically bothered to even challenge that. So we have lived in that ecosystem, and we still believe that we are very happy with it. Of course, coming to specifically the question right now, a lot of more proactivity is required because if you ban something, for example, that we have this mindset, we are observing this, that firstly, this whole differentiation that has been created that, crypto is bad, blockchain is good, and we can do a lot of things. Point is that if I ban something, I would not know how it will proliferate. But if we regulate something, at least we have visibility of what things are. And I think a large portion of the market really are okay with the regulation part of it. Okay. What needs to be done at this hour is more proactivity in thinking that how we will, regulate this space properly rather than simply thinking, okay, a good and a bad situation in a black and white manner, and sort of saying that this part is bad and therefore you ban it and the remaining we can work with. And there also we do not have a regulation really on blockchain per se. So my belief is that we have to be uh, proactive, not, first thing. Secondly, create umbrella legislations. Okay, tech and these spaces are evolving at a very, very rapid pace. If we had some, for example, let me take a very crude example. If we had a law for pagers, it will be in dustbin by now, right? So we have to keep broad brushed legislations under which we let the players evolve. So technology and innovation should not get stifled. Let them play their role under the mother legislation, under the umbrella legislation. That is the way to go about it.
Good point there, Supratim. I think in a way what you are mentioning is that the regulators have concern around broadly three areas. One is systemic risk,
Yeah.
and they believe that somewhere as a country, as a developing nation, we may face systemic risk. The second is AML issues. Of course, money laundering is something which could be extremely challenging, and I think the third area is definitely taxation, sort of leakage of revenue, etc. Which could potentially happen because of these in case there is like open innovation or open architecture which is let loose. But yeah, I totally agree with you that it can't be at the cost of stifling innovation, etc.